Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 14-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree and some ribbons I got from Amazon. I'm using 5 different pattern ribbons. They're 2-inch wired ribbons. I'm cutting 18 strips of each pattern at 7 inches. So you'll need just under 4 yards per pattern. Next, I dovetail the ends of all of those ribbons. I stack a few at a time just to make it quicker. Next, I had cut some pipe cleaners in half, and I'm going to be alternating between the second and third ring. I take the ribbons and pinch them in the center and then crisscross them back and forth in my hands. I stack one of each pattern in my hand and then place it on top of the pipe cleaner, twist it nice and tight, and then tuck it down to the back of the wreath form and twist that a few times, and then just spread out the ribbons. I'll have 3 bundles in each section of the wreath form. Once I have that all filled in, I'll flip it over and trim up those pipe cleaners that are on the back and bend them down. And then go around and kind of just separate the ribbons and make sure it's nice and full. I'm also taking this silver pick that I got from Dollar Tree and tucking it in between one of the bundles and then bending that so it forms with the wreath shape and using pieces of pipe cleaner to attach that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.